Morning guys, Adventure with Dan 670. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung etong lure na to. I-re-rig ko siya, lalagay ko siya ng hook. Ito siya. Ito lang ang gamit ko, size 12 siya. Size 12. Yung leader line 400 pounds test. Sleeve 2.2. Tsaka 3 pieces na beads. So simulan natin guys. Madali lang naman guys. Suot nyo lang ito dyan. Yan. Tapos after ng line 2 beads. Yan. Then after nyan itong 2 sleeves 2.2. Pag natapos nyo ilagay yung 2 sleeve tsaka 2 beads, eto siya, isunod nyo ito, etong double rig na hooks. Tandaan nyo ito 12, size 12, 12-0. Parang ganyan, ito siya. Tapos i-loop mo siya, make it sure double. Yan. So pag dinoble nyo yung 400 nya will become 400 pounds test ang pressure nya. Yan, make it 3 loops yan. Yan, hatak mo lang siya, hatak mo, yan siya. Yan, space na, lagyan nyo ng space para gumalaw. Yan, ito. So after nyo maayos yung ganyan, ito sunod nyo na yung sleeve. Yan, ito. Tapos i-crimp nyo siya, crimper plier. Yan. Make sure put 2 ayan, one more. Yan, ganito ang space. So i-crimp ulit natin. So you need to cut the excess. Cut nyo ito. Yeah. So ito na siya. Ito yung beads na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yan. Yan. Okay. Very simple lang. Yan. Kung paano mag-rig yan. Yan siya. Yan. Ito siya guys. And then you measure 3 yards for the leader. From here, you count here. So 3 yards siya. 1 2 3. So ito 3 yards siya. Ayan, 3 yards siya. So after you cut, you put 2 sleeves same size 2.2. Yan, make sure the space like this, make it as I said before, on the bottom of the door put 2 loop to make strong the end of those line. So 400 become 800 pounds test. Yan lang. Okay, this is the distance, like 2 inches. Galing po siya. One and one more. Guys, cut the excess. Ayan siya. Okay guys, simple lang. Ito na siya, gawa na. Pang derby ito sa malalaking isda, like marlin, billfish. Yan, laki, no? So thank you guys for watching me, Adventure with Dan 670. Salamat po.